What's going on YouTube? So today I'm supposed to be getting my new hood. As some of you guys know, some of you guys might not know, my last delivery of my carbon hood, the delivery dude dropped it at my doorstep and I was not home. So it will be a heartbreak for some of you guys to see. And I can show you guys the hood now. Give me 1 second. So as you guys see, it's cracked. So I'm supposed to be having a new one delivered today. And yeah, so I will be changing out the hoods and I will insert the video now. It was very heartbreaking, I know, trust me. But yeah, so I'll be installing the new hood today, along with something went wrong last night when I was driving. I would shake the wheel left to right. Something just does not sound right. It could be the bags, it could not be. Hopefully it's just the beaded wire hitting, I don't know. So I'm going to jack the car up and we're going to also take a look at that and hopefully find out what's causing that noise, which for you guys to hear, I'm going to insert another video from last night of how it was sounding. It does not sound right whatsoever. I just hope it's, like I said, the wire and not anything else. So yeah. Everyone say hi to Philip. Hood's 30 minutes away, so I had to back the car back out. And now we're just waiting on the hood. So I can unbox it up in this.
You want to go ahead and take this one off?
Yeah, alright, we're gonna take this one off real quick.
You are mean, but it's mean.
So we got the hood off. In literally like 5 minutes.
Chili, you want to throw your throttle body on?
My throttle body?
You already drop off the new one?
He's on the way.
Not yet.
Oh.
He doesn't match you.
What a dude, dirty.
What's up, pal? The working man right here.
So yeah, now we just wait on a new one. We got it unwrapped. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Okay, okay. Alright, new hood's on. We were in the last clip trying to make it all even with the round. No cracks right here.
No.
But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and now we are going to check out. We're gonna check out the bag on the right side. So yeah, gonna jack her up. Gotta return this hood. What is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Okay, but yeah. The new hood is on. And we are good.
What?
What are you doing?
Fucking vibing, bro. What are you doing?
Why are you killing my box? It says handle with care.
What?
Handle with care. Bro.
This box is empty.
Oh my gosh. Let's see the muscles.
What muscles? Okay, fuck this. Jesus Christ. Alright, Goose. Just the fuck up.
So we think we fixed it. GoPro died. So I'm on my phone. We zip tied the line because we think whenever I turned it was hitting. So hopefully that knocking noise sound, like whatever it was going on, stopped. The hood is on. The new one at least. No longer cracked. The old one's in the box. And yeah, this is gonna be my outro. So I will see you guys in next video.